I wanted to share a little video here about the Pittsburgh mini tire changer that you get from Harbor Freight. Just unboxed this unit. I've been watching YouTube videos and wanted to purchase one of these. Wanted to try it out. This is the 61179, and I have a couple of tires on my 2002 John Deere Gator that I need to change out. And I figure with the cost of this unit, I can pretty well pay for it with one use. So let's take a look here. You can see the parts that came in the box here. One of the things that you'll see on other videos is the mounting of this on a table, and I even saw one gentleman that mounted this thing on his on the back of his truck. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how that goes in there. So what I want to do is I want to mount this to the side of my four-wheeler trailer so that I can use this in the field. And here's the four-wheeler trailer that I want to mount it to, and I think this spot right here is going to be just as good as any. And I'll get some U-bolts in there and we'll get that mounted up there. So you can see there that I have made a spacer using a scrap piece of 2x4, and now we're ready to put the U-bolts on, but I wanted to share with you a trick that I learned in doing this, and it involves an oil filter wrench. So the U-bolts that I selected were just a little bit too wide, but you can bend them using this oil filter wrench to make them fit. So here's your finished product, and there is your part number. Bought these for $3 each at Lowe's if you wanted to do the same thing there. Okay, so this frame, this is being shot a week later. The reason being is that I experimented with and tried different ways of using the Pittsburgh mini tire changer from Harbor Freight. Oh, hey buddy, get out of that. Come on. Get over here. Tried using the Pittsburgh mini tire changer from Harbor Freight all afternoon on Saturday to replace this tire. I got everywhere. I was able to get the tire completely off, and I was able to put one side of the other tire on, but I never could get that second one on. It's like it just stopped, and I felt like I was tearing the tire up. So, you know, I think I've learned something in this. I should have shared that experience as well, but I didn't, because I thought I would get my process down on the first tire and then film everything with the second tire. Well, since I failed on the first tire, that didn't happen. So I don't know that this is necessarily a negative product review, but it's to tell you to beware that there are certain tires. I can't see how it would have worked on the tire that I put on, which is very similar to this with these bead locks here. They just seem like they did not flex enough to allow the product to work. So I can't make the video that I thought I was going to make, where I was showing you how to save all this money, and because it didn't work for me. So I did want to throw out there a funny though. The shop, I guess they could smell defeat on me, because they changed the two tires out for free. So essentially I was paying $60 for the kit, or for the tool, to try to save $40, but really I was saving $0 because the guys at the shop did it for free. So I'll give you a look at the new tires that went on there. They did pretty good, and I'll tell you the size that this is right here. This is a, what do we have here? This is a 22.5 by 10 by 8. And again, it was the front tire for that Gator. I'll show you I'll give you a peek of the tires I put on there. They look really nice. I'm excited to use them. And I tell you what, if anyone wants this Harbor Freight kit, it's practically brand new. Maybe you'll have an application for it that you can use. Subscribe, and at the end of June, I'll put names in a hat and I'll ship it to you for free. So thanks for watching. Let me give you a quick shot of those tires. Hope you liked it. Hope you subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. I almost forgot to tell you about the bracket. The bracket that I made with the U-bolts around the trailer, that performed great. Even when I had an extension handle on the edge of the lever trying to get additional torque, to put that tire on, it held on, you know, even so much to where it may have bent that shaft a little bit on the tool. But that's you know, that's a testament to how well it worked. So if this is going to be something that does work for your tires, or you want to try it, I highly recommend that solution. Okay, so here's the front of the John Deere Gator 6x4, and you can see these new tires on here, and they look really nice. And the other ones had so many holes and plugs in them to where they were a constant nightmare. So anyway, again, you know, I'm sorry the video didn't turn out the way it did. I'd planned. I hope that you get something that you can use out of this, and hope to see you down the road. Take care now.